Stop confusing borrow and lend. Let's understand. Borrow. Borrow means to take something from someone. બીજા પાસેથી કંઈક લેવું. Examples. Can I borrow your pen? શું તમારી પેન લઈ શકું છું? He borrowed money from his friend. એણે મિત્ર પાસેથી પૈસા લીધા. Lend. Lend means to give something. બીજાને કંઈક આપવું. Examples. I will lend you my book. હું તમને મારું પુસ્તક આપીશ. She lent her car to her brother. એણે પોતાની કાર ભાઈને આપી. Now key difference. Borrow means take and lend means give. Examples. I borrow a pen from you. You lend me a pen. Simple. I borrow from you. You lend to me. Follow for more easy grammar tips.